Welcome everyone to this amazing hosting discount video. In this video, I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing hosting discount. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link to be landed over this. Now Hostinger is one of the world's fastest and most recognized hosting company, and there are few reasons. One such reason is that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, which is one of the industry's biggest platform to create website. Now if you see the hosting company reviews on different websites, you may be surprised to see that everyone, they have very good ratings: 4.6 out of 5, 4.8 out of 5, 4.7 out of 5, and the Trustpilot link is clickable. So now I'm going to see the physical reviews for the Hostinger hosting, and you can see over here that the reviews are very convincing, all of them praising Hostinger, and all of them says that they are excellent. Now the best thing when you buy your Hostinger hosting is that you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Now these are the three most popular hosting plans which you can use as per your convenience. If you want to do a thorough comparison, do the view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan functions features before you're going to buy one. Now with Hostinger hosting, there is a new thing which is Horizons, where you can turn your idea into reality. You just have to give the command, it's automatically going to physically create your website. Also, Hostinger provide you free website migration service. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger hosting, they have a dedicated tool to shift all your website to this new hosting company without any issue. Be it a single website or be it 100 website, they're going to shift all of your website, that too free of cost. Now with this hosting, you are getting the H panel plan, which is one of the industry's most easy to use plan. Even a beginner or a newbie can operate this plan to use or manage their hosting services. And Hostinger hosting also do not compromise on being the fastest. They have local data centers all around the world, 24/7 support and full speed. They have very good servers. I've been using it from the last year. This hosting is very good. So based on my personal experience, I'm using it on my own blog, and I'm very satisfied with this. Plus the security features you're getting with this hosting company are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, unlimited SSL security certificates, and DDoS attacks prevention with the Cloudflare protected name server technology, which is just great with this hosting company. And right now Hostinger hosting is being used by 3 million plus people, and even I'm using it. So make sure to click on the link in the description to get this amazing hosting. So scroll above and choose any plan. Once you're done with your research, simply select the choose plan. Now you're going to get as much as up to 91% off. So I'm going to tell you how you can get. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Now once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page to get this amazing hosting with as much as up to 91% off. Now you can see over here that this is a special deal running right now. So higher the billing period, higher the discount you are going to get, and these prices won't appear again. So I highly recommend you guys to take the most out of it. Now once you select the 48 months, you are getting few things. You're getting 2 months extra free, you're getting free domain, plus you're getting free domain setup and free domain privacy. So do the math yourself, are you going to get as much as up to 91% off by getting this, plus using the coupon codes mentioned in the description of this video. So I'm going to show you in front of you how you can get this amazing discount with this hosting coupon code. So you can see over here that your price got a further discount on already running discount. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code on this hosting to get this amazing discount. So once you have applied the coupon code, now move on to the continue, and you can see over here that the 30 days money back guarantee is valid on all of the plans. So over here you can see your order summary. So your setup is free, your 2 months extra free, you're getting discount on 48 months, you're getting free domain name, you're getting free domain privacy protection. So you can do the math yourself. It's 86% plus 5% extra for 2 months setup and domain. So as much as up to 91% off when you use the link on the description to get this amazing hosting. Now you may be asked to log into your account. After this you have to do the last part of writing your billing details, and after this simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting your payment methods. Now Hostinger offer variety of payment methods. Guys, you can use any as per convenience. So many options to choose. So you can use card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you can use any as per your convenience. So once you are selecting your payment method, write your credit card details and simply select the submit button, and you're going to get your hosting account details within few minutes and directly into your email inbox. So just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger hosting from the last 3 to 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, and highly recommend you guys to take the advantage of this amazing hosting company. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either the coupon code to get this amazing discount with Hostinger hosting. So good luck.